Afternoon, one. So today I got two packages, one from Amazon and just turned up, and one from Temu. These are all mostly electrical items, or to do with electrical projects. Hey, why have you sent me a fucking drone? I didn't order a drone. We're supposed to be batteries. Just high performance RC battery. Oh. To me, that looks like a fucking drone. But these are actually batteries. So why they put them in a fucking drone box, I do not know. So I ordered some of these batteries. I've got some coming through AliExpress, but they're not going to be here for a few weeks. So I thought, you know what, I'll get them off Amazon. So I do need some kind of like, not straight away, but for when I start doing my projects. Because what I'm planning to do is build a REM pod kind of thing like this in a round circular tubing, but I'll show you the tubing later. I don't think it's going to be any good. So what I want to do is, I do have the connectors where you plug them in and you charge them up through your USB type C connectors. I do have those. So yeah, that's what I plan to do, is build something like this in a circular tube, because most of my ones are in like little square boxes, which I don't really like. So what I'm going to do is get this ready, and I will start charging those up in a minute. Now this is from Temu. And these are the boxes I ordered. I've only got 4. Must be 6 then. Let me just check that for a minute. Shut up. Temu. I thought it's a box of 4. Or pack of 4. No, it's 6. Yeah, 6. Right, let me just open this up. And let's see what's going on here. Because what I plan to do, there was 2 ways I was going to do this. One is to have one of those like little USB type C things going in there. So the battery would lay in the bottom, and then you'll have a USB type C kind of thing there. And then you'll have the 4 LED things like that on top with the antenna. And that'd all be laid down, so that I'd have to like make the LED cables longer. That would lay down in the bottom like so. And then what I would need to do is order some USB type cables, so people can actually buy them, use them, so they're buying them, because I don't know how much I'd sell these if I was doing to sell any. So that be laid in, hot glued down the bottom, connected to a USB type C or just a normal USB type cable, whatever the adapter takes. And so I'll have to get some cables. I think I might only have one for myself actually to test on. So yeah, the USB kind of connector will come out of there. That'll be in there, and the guts for this will be inside there, and the antennas come up through there. And then I'd super glue these so no one can actually get in and tamper with them. Don't know why the alarm clock's going off. I didn't see it. Let me just check on the alarm clock. It's going to go off again. So that's 6 of these. Let's get the battery out again. So, oh, well, I don't think they've done me. So I could actually build 6, but I don't know. The only other thing I was thinking about doing it was getting a 9-volt kind of like pushing connector kind of thing. But then that way it'd probably have a little bit of a tilt, because I can't seem to get any of these anywhere. I've looked on Google, eBay, Amazon for these specific type of tubing, but I can't find them anywhere. Right, so now we have got some, don't know, these are AA or AAA. So we've got some of those, and then we've got some single ones, and then we have got they have to put a fucking label on top of it. Right, this is the power. I want to try and build my own like little power adapter kind of thing. I think I bought 2 of those actually. And then I also bought 2 of these, which are battery power indicators. So 2 of those. These are, what are these? Oh, circuit boards. Bought some more of those because I need some more of those. Some more of these. Some more circuit boards. Another battery power thing. Some more single, AA. Some more circuit boards. And last but not least, some more circuit boards. These ones are bigger than the other ones. I think there's 25 of these. I used to have a load of these, but I don't know what happened to them. Probably around somewhere. I used to have a load of these ones. I've got a couple up there, but not many. Because every time I made a device and it didn't work, I didn't bother taking everything off and starting fresh. I just started using the circuit board. Now, Lidl's, not Lidl's. I did go to Poundland today, and I thought these were a not a bad little deal. These are 3 litre tubs, so I can start putting some of this stuff in here. I've got nowhere else to put them at the moment. I'm not going to get them all in. I should get most of them in. So down here on the floor, I've got like these, kind of like a square box container, and on this container thing, it's got like 12 or 14. Let me see if I can get it out from the fucking mess. God. Well, I've got 2 of these. And these are all filled with LEDs. I've got another one down on the floor as well. And they're facing each other. And every so often, I tend to kick one of them, and it goes flying, and all the boxes come flying out of that main container holder. And that happened last night when because I went up, got up to go to the bathroom and came back, and I kicked the damn thing, and they all went flying everywhere. And one of the boxes opened up with about 300 fucking blue LEDs. So I had to pick up all the blue LEDs last night, or early this morning. Otherwise, I would have had LED stuck in my feet. I haven't really got anywhere to put this stuff. You know, at one time, I used to have it all over there, but I dug it all out so I can put it here. The shelving that I've got is all full of like cleaning fluids and buffer pads and stuff like for me game cleaning up. You know, with this game cleaning. And I just ain't got nowhere else to put the stuff. Then I've got my main shelving with all the I don't know, this one. It's that one, and I can't get that one. I think no, I ain't gonna be able to get that out. The cable's stuck. So yeah, it's just I've got so much stuff in it. It's unfucking what I'm doing, man. I don't even know where I'm going to put those like containers. What I've just got today. You know, it's just so much stuff. It's unbelievable. So no, that's the only thing. That's going to keep falling down. I wish I didn't have so much stuff in the living room. You know, my living room is full of stuff, mostly with games and consoles. If I didn't have all that stuff, then I'd be able to make a little place in there for all my electronics. Just go in and pull it out when I need it. But I can't even do that. What I'm going to do is take these out of the bags. So I don't know what they've given these things for. Oh, these are like little clamps, so you're soldering all the time. That's handy. That's handy, Harry. I don't know why I'd use them though, but they're handy. Right. So, yeah, I went to Poundland today, got those. Bought myself another magnifying glass. I keep losing the ones that I keep having. So I've got one of those bigger ones. Packet of super glue. I do have super glue, but I think it's all hard and they might have to be thrown away. I have got in my drawer here one of these, but because it was only £1, I thought I'd get another one of these. That's pretty good for £1 actually. That is rather good for £1. So I bought another one of those. That I'm going to be using to scrape the floor because I've got a lot of like shit on the floor and that needs scraping, and I can't scrub it with a scrubbing brush. So that is not really electrical. It's a wallpaper scraper, yes, but you can use it on the floor to, you know, scrape the crap up off the floor. So I hope to do that sometime soon. And that is it from Poundland, I think. Yeah, I think that's it from Poundland. Oh, hang on, no. And this neon tester, whatever the fuck that does, I can't even remember. but a neon tester. But that's it, guys. I have found that Amazon has got a new feature out, would you believe? You can get discounted stuff, but I only see it on the mobile. So where's my mobile? Amazon. Home. Right, so they've got this. It's like a clearance sale in one way. And it's also got like this wheel. Let's go back into. It's got this wheel. You click on this wheel, it gives you a percentage off. Now, once you've done that, there's a load of stuff on clearance. And because I was on the bus looking at it, I thought I'll have a look on what clearance stuff there is. Now, you can actually get 5 large pieces of these storage boxes. Might be a bit kind of crappy seeing it, but they was only £2.46 for 5. 5-piece large plastic clearage, £2.46. Then there's this screwdriver, guitar, blah blah set. One of those. That was £2.40. Another kind of like storage container. That's a bit hard to see. One of those. They were £1.46 each. So I bought 2 of those. I bought one of those screwdriver sets, 1 piece of the 5 large plastic containers, and some solder wick, which is 95p. Now the only thing is, because it's a clearance, they don't do it as like Amazon Prime. They don't send it the next day. When you order this kind of stuff at a discounted rate, the arrival time for me is between 11th and 15th of May. And there's me ordering it all, thinking, oh, I'm going to get it tomorrow. And after I paid for it, it says delivery between 11th and 15th. So this you can only do on your mobile by looks of things. I haven't seen it on Amazon main webpage. So it is an Amazon mobile feature kind of thing. I even know they do have Amazon on. Yeah, they have got it. Yeah, so you go to Amazon and over to the far left, they've got a feature called Haul. Amazon Haul. HAUL. And there you can actually purchase a ton of shit, at a very low price. Some of it wasn't low though, because I thought, hang on a minute, why is this? Because I've done a search for electronics. And it does have a feature there for electronics. But it don't show much on there for electronics at first. You have to click all. And it takes quite a long time for it to actually bring any of the pages up. So if you want to try to get some stuff a little bit cheaper than the normal price, then go to Amazon Haul. But as I say, they will be charging you a lot more, less. They will charge you less, I believe, but it more likely be a longer time delivery rate. Yeah, so when you do it on the web, it takes forever to upload the images. On your mobile phone, it brings it up rather quickly. But yeah, it's got like, it doesn't have the wheel on Amazon main webpage. It just says like clearance sale, get 30% off, right, while stocks last. So maybe if you can get the stuff on that actual website, then the actual mobile, you might get 30% off. But because I was on the bus, I only got 10% off because I done it on the mobile. But it's worth having a look because there is quite a lot of good stuff on there. I only paid about 10. The thing is, you had to pay postage on it. I paid £8 for the items, and the postage was $2.99. And hopefully they'll all turn up at the same time. So what I ordered was the clearance boxes. Well, two different types of storage boxes. The screwdriver kit thing. Oh no, that's what I've got today. No, two different types of boxes. The screwdriver kit thing, and the solder thing. So yeah, that's why I ordered. Right, so anyway, I'm off. Get this stuff sorted out, drink my coffee, and I'll catch you on the next one. When that be, I've got no idea. Cheers for watching. Catch you later.